Welcome back. In this video, we'll take a break from the Fusion Builder design elements and layouts, and we will focus on the Avada template system. So this is a Fusion Builder template system that could be used to create global templates or templates that could be used across pages in order to create consistent design. So that is really important factor in your design. For example, if you want to put the subscribe box on the contact me or the about page right here, how can you do that in a very easy way? So you have the ability to create sections of your site as templates and put them on other pages or posts. In the same way, you can also export the all of the design as a template and use it to create new pages. So let's jump right into it and see. Quick pause. I hope you're enjoying my videos about professional web design using the Avada theme. Actually, these videos are a part of a very detailed video course that I created for Udemy. So if you would like to explore these topics in more detail and ask questions, check out my course on Udemy. The link with the discount coupon is in the description of the video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that because a lot more content is coming your way. Let's get back to the video. How it works, so we will just click on the edit page, and by the way, you can also do this on the Fusion Builder Live, but I just am very used to doing this on the back end, so I will just show you that option, and maybe I'll create an add-on video that shows you how to do it from the Builder Live. Okay, so in the top bar here in the Fusion Builder Live, Fusion Builder view, you will see an option which is the save page layout. So it's a disk icon that you can click on. So if you save the page layout, you can create, I already have the home page layout because I've done this before. So let's delete that and we will just rename it to something else. First layout. We can name it anything we want, and we can save that as a template. So once we have this template, then we can create new pages that use the same page template and actually get all the containers with all the content inside of the containers back using our template. So if we go ahead and create a new page, I'll just create a new page like that, and then I'll just go to Fusion Builder view right there and click on a pre-built page because we already have a template that we saved. So we can load the template, replace all the page content, and once this loads, you can see that all the stuff including the page template is restored from my library. So that's pretty amazing. So I don't have to do anything. All the containers, columns, everything is there, and I can just start modifying them like I showed to you in the previous video and get my design done like that. But we don't want to create this new page just yet. Let's say that we have a specific section that you want to create a template, not all of it. You have the option to do that as well. So you have a disk icon available on a container level, and you have the disk icon available on a column level, and you also have a disk icon available on an element level. So you have a container, column, element, all of them have disk icons, and you can save whatever container, column, or template you want to save as a template. So if you go back to the section where the subscribe button is, like let's say that, you can click on the save template. Oh, they have already saved it as a global container, so I can actually reuse it on the other pages, and I don't have to save this new one. But it's a global container. So what does that mean? That means if it's used in more than one page, if I have to edit it, I edit it only once and it updates all the pages that it's used on. So that's the global container, and when you're saving a container, you can check box this to save it as a global. So it is a global container and is available to me. I can go on the pages where I need to put it. So I mentioned the about me page. I'll just go to about me page, edit that page. Okay, and once it's editing with Fusion Builder, we can go and click on the container right there, and we can select library containers from here and subscribe global containers what we want. So there is the home subscribe. You can change it to about subscribe if you'd like, and then you can drag and drop this wherever you want. So like that, maybe in the end is where I want to put it, and I'll just update the page. Okay, so once that is done, we'll just view the page. And now if we go right to the bottom, you will see that subscribe to my newsletter is now a section on the website. So that's really cool. You can create different sections as templates and keep reusing them through the website, and it'll give a nice and consistent look and feel to your pages, which is the key to good web design. So that is pretty much how you save the containers, and I also showed you how you can save page layouts using the template library, and it's a very powerful feature. Let's also try and figure this out with the contact me page, and I'll try to use Fusion Builder Live this time. So let's see, explore where the template library options are. So we'll just click on Fusion Builder Live, and that will open the contact me page. And I think one of these, I think the library option is right there. So if we go down and we say library, we can add a container. So on this page, so these are the container options. I want to add a container, and once I go to add a container, I can select library containers from here, subscribe from there, and it is going to add a subscribe button, subscribe box. So whatever container you have saved in your library, so you can see that you might have to tweak the design or replicate it as a non-global, because here we are not using the full width, so some configuration will be needed to make this full width and make it look better. So that's pretty much it, what I wanted to show about the library containers. You can save the page templates as design layouts as template in the template library, and you can easily create new pages from existing pages and just modify them with Fusion Builder. Last thing that I wanted to talk about in the template library section was the availability of demo pages. So just like I showed you how you can import a sample content and a demo layout, like all of it, so you can do all posts, all pages, sliders, post types, like we did in the earlier video. You can also import specific pages from any demos that they have on the Avada website. So if you go to demo.themefusion.com, click on the Avada demos, there are a bunch of demos available, and you can, like for example, Avada taxi. Taxi is just a sample layout or demo import, pretty slick. Like let's say you want to create a landing page just like this with 3 service boxes and some numbers and some nice looking full width sections with blog posts and these elements. You can get the exact same design or layout built in your website. And like here I have a new page and I don't have anything else, or what I will do is the exact same thing, just click on the Fusion Builder. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, instead of adding a container, I'll just do a plus pre-built page here. And here I do have the other templates and containers that I've saved in my library, like this one, available to me. But with those I can only build the pages, but from the demo content you can select which demo it is, like the taxi demo here. So I will just select a taxi demo, and then you have the ability to actually just import this page in your import. So we can just do that. So Avada taxi, and we select which page we want to load, or you can put in a URL of of this install over here. So either way, if you know the demo that you're working with and the page that you want to load, you can just select that, and now what you will see is all the uh, all the demo layout is set up with the content. So you have all the text boxes and number boxes and all the elements that they are using in the taxi demo layout. So that is an excellent option for building landing pages, especially like if you have to do stuff with Google ads and Facebook ads and stuff like that. That comes in really handy. So that is another feature of the template library that I wanted to demo before we move on. So thanks very much for watching. Until next time.